Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to show you air fryer cooking guide. And yes guys, it is by Villa Flair and everything that you need is actually included in this guide. And it is 100% magnetic right here on the back, so it just snaps on your fridge very easily. And you would find a couple of tips and tricks, like for example, use a light coat of oil, spray or rub light coat of oil, don't put too much food in a basket, and then everything is actually organized by category. So if you're cooking beef, chicken, pork, seafood, all the cooking times as well as temperatures are included. Vegetables, frozen foods, everything is in here. So yes guys, it just on your fridge, and you can easily just hang it. And yes, here's like a little hook right here. You can also hang it on a wall, so it is up to you. Let me just move it a little bit closer. So yes, as you can see, everything is at your fingertips. So definitely check it out and get inspired to cook beautiful, delicious food for your family.